Hey everyone, today we are opening the Lenovo Yoga 9 i2-in-1 Aura Edition 14-inch Gen 11. You can find the full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. First, remove 7 screws. 3 of them are hidden under the long rubber foot between the hinges. We are using a Torx T5 screwdriver. Carefully peel up the rubber foot, keeping its adhesive layer intact if possible. The foot also has small clips that lock into the bottom cover. Here we are choosing a position that is easy to work in and easy for the camera to see. Try to keep the adhesive on the rubber foot so it can be reused during reassembly. Here are the 3 hidden screws. Here, a JIS number 0 screwdriver gives better control. Use a thin plastic tool to start releasing the bottom cover clips. Be careful not to slide the tool too far inside where it could hit internal components. The cover is off. The center latch also holds. These front clips are tougher. Start between the hinges, then move along the sides. This is the battery connector. Disconnect it first. The memory is 32 GB of soldered LPDDR5X with no slots. The processor is under this cooling system. The cooling system uses 2 fans. The battery cable is short. So first, loosen the battery screws and shift the battery aside for connector access. The screws seem captive, so loosen them without removing them from the battery. Do not pull on the wires, work slowly and avoid the tiny parts near the connector. Done! This is a 70 watt-hour 4-cell lithium-ion battery from Sunwoda. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now we remove the SSD. Our unit has a 1TB Micron M.22242 SSD on PCI Express 4x4. That is the complete internal tour of the Lenovo Yoga 9 i2-in-1 Aura Edition, with its soldered memory, single storage slot, 70 watt-hour battery, and dual fan cooling. For thermals, display quality, battery life, and more, check our full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.